Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hi, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I'm not sure why my video is not showing. I'm using my laptop right now, so I think it's not working. But yeah, sure, why?
Any issues with the video?
No, for me, I don't know my video. My camera is not showing.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know why. Uh,
Hmm. You joined from your mobile.
no, for my laptop.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I fixed it. I fixed it.
Yeah, now I
Okay.
can.
Yeah.
So how you want to continue now? Shall I continue the further sessions, like further topics, or how is it? Hello?
I think your Wi-Fi might.
Is there a problem with your Wi-Fi?
Yeah, sir. On your side, there's some problem with Wi-Fi. Okay, I think now it's fine.
Hmm.
Okay, yeah, it's better now. It's fine now.
Okay. So
Yeah.
shall I continue with the remaining topics, or how you want to? Do you have any doubts?
Yeah, we can carry on with remaining topics, no problem.
Hmm. Okay.
Because the last one we did was the bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing.
Hmm. Okay, 1 second. Okay. Share my screen. Second. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay. So next pattern is bullish and bearish kicker. Okay. Have you heard about this pattern?
No, this one I have not heard about it.
Okay.
Bullish kicker. Yeah, I haven't heard about that.
So bullish kicker is basically a two candle pattern, right? These two candles.
Okay.
So at that time you were asking, right, about the gap up, right?
Yes, I was
So
asking about that.
so so if the previous day we have this kind of closing and the next day we have a gap up opening, right? Then this pattern is called as bullish kicker. Right.
Oh, okay.
So we have to buy once it crosses the high only in this range. Right. See like this here, as you can see
And
in the example right here.
yes,
So there was a gap up here, right? So we need to take an entry here at this point.
at the top of that bullish candle.
Yes, yes. High of this candle,
Yes.
right?
Yes, I've seen that.
So this is called bullish kicker.
Again, this bullish,
So this is basically we
bullish
call it
kicker.
as a reversal pattern. Okay.
Okay.
So so it begins with a
And
it begins with a bearish candle, right? Followed by a gap up and then a bullish candle.
Okay. Yes.
But one
And
thing you have to remember that this has to be formed at the downtrend, right? The market has to be in downtrend.
okay, the market, yeah, it has to be in downtrend.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And what happened is this usually happens like when the market opens on Monday, right?
Yeah, Monday maybe next day, right? You can say that next day.
Okay, yeah, because there's a market is 24 hours, right? During the week.
No, Saturday, Sunday it is not closed.
Yeah, but like during the weekdays, it's open Monday to Friday. It's 24
Ah,
hours, right?
right. No, this can happen even on Thursday. That's it. Thursday the market is closed, so the market won't get close for some time only on Thursday also, right? But here we don't have got 24 cross 7 in India.
Oh, okay.
It's from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. from Monday to Friday.
9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Yes, Monday to Friday. Yes.
Monday to Friday. Okay.
So that means we can find this pattern here on a daily basis, but for you, it may work only on Monday. You have to check only on Monday because
Yeah, for
your
us, yeah.
because your market is continuously working from Monday to Friday.
Yes.
Right. Okay.
And then there's the bullish kicker.
So this is called the bullish kicker, right? You can note down if you
Yeah.
want.
Yes, noted down.
So the candle has to be green, right? The next candle. Like
Yes.
Fudu Magambuzu, the candle has to be green with volume, right? With a huge body. The candle should not be like this.
Oh, okay. It should be a big body candle.
A big body, right? It can be like, see, it can be like this also, a small wick or a small lower wick, but the body has to be there. The the middle part
Okay, yeah.
has
It
to be there.
can't be like it can't be like
Hmm.
this body here, right? This one here. It can't be like that, but
Yeah,
green.
yeah, yeah. It has to be green, and the body has to be solid, like
Okay,
this.
and solid. Okay. And then the second one is the bearish kicker, you said.
Hmm. But here you have to make see here you have to make an entry once it crosses the high, right? And your stop loss will be near. See,
So
stop loss
it will be
here
at
is
the
a bit
bottom.
tricky. Here, stop loss is a bit tricky because see, actually the stop loss has to be here, but sometimes you can keep here as well because there was a gap up, right? So you can keep somewhere here also.
Yeah. Because your stop loss is supposed to be lower than your take profit, right?
Yes.
Always.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, uh, this candle may be formed only on Monday, right? So you may be able to take a trade only on Tuesday or once this candle is closed, correct?
Correct.
So you have to wait for a candle to close. After that, you can make an entry.
Oh, okay.
And this
So I have to
gap
wait for
area, will be your stop loss. This gap area.
the
This
gap area. Okay. Anywhere between the gap.
see the safer side is has to be like here somewhere here.
Oh, okay. So the previous candle before the gap up that high,
Mm.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I've written that down.
Okay. Next, I will see if we can find this pattern on the chart. One second. We may be able to see, I think, in somewhere in gold or silver.
Yeah, because like just now, gold went a bit up. I'm just putting the indicator. Is volume the only indicator out there? Or there's maybe that I've seen an indicator, right? Where it tells you when to buy and sell. I don't know how that works.
I have no idea about that because those are manually created indicators. We don't know what logic they have created behind that.
Oh, okay.
And these are the indicators we are using. These are the standard indicators, right? So we can believe these standard indicators, but the one which are created by them, we don't know what exactly they are using behind the indicators. What logic they are using behind the indicators, correct?
Okay. Understand.
Yeah, I will show you on here. There's one stock. I'll show you that pattern here because these patterns are not like that much. See, you can see, correct?
Oh, there's a gap. Yeah.
Yeah, right. If
But
I
how
mark,
come they how come yeah,
see this is the gap, right? And this is the gap, correct?
correct.
So the last candle was this one, correct? This one, and there was a
That was the
downtrend.
last can.
There was a downtrend.
Yes.
This candle, and next day there was a gap up here, right? Here, here.
Yeah.
So
But you see, if we bought at the top here, it didn't go up the next candle.
yeah, see, we didn't get an entry here because we have to buy once it crosses the high of this candle, but we didn't. But it never crossed the high, right? So we didn't. So we never got the entry here. Here, right?
Oh, okay, because the next candle has to cross the high, correct?
Yes, yes, but none of the candle crossed the high here, right?
Okay.
Because there was a previous resistance also here.
Yeah, there was a gap
Mm.
up.
Yeah. So after that, on the third day, it came down because it didn't cross this high, and it came down near the gap, right?
Yes.
And next day, it went high again, but it could not cross this high again, and again it came down, and it
Yeah,
fills
and
the
then there was a gap up, a gap down there.
uh, and here it filled the gap. See, here it filled the gap, the previous gap, right?
Okay. Yes.
And then again, you can see that there was a uptrend. Two candles were there, and then it opened a gap down here.
Okay. And is that candle, the gap down candle, is it forming right now? Is it live?
Yes, yes. This is today's
It's
candle.
live. Oh, that's today's candle.
If you see, if you want to see the update, I'll show you the 5 minute chart. You can see that it is moving.
Oh, okay. Yes, I see that.
Now see,
There's like,
so much we have the
yeah,
gap here,
there's a
right?
gap.
See that this much is the gap created by this stock, right? This is the gap, right?
Yes.
So now what this stock may try to do is make try to go till what price? It may try to go till this level. Yes.
Yeah.
Because now this will become a strong resistance, this gap. So it's not easy to fill this gap.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So the price is now trying to go into that
Yes.
area, right?
To go for a retest. It is trying to go for a retest, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And it may fill also,
Okay.
we don't
And
know, right? Because see, the gap is huge. So that is why I'm telling that it is difficult to fill this gap, at least today.
okay, yeah. But maybe during the week, next week.
Uh, Someday it can fill it by again opening as a gap up.
Okay, because stock market, is it closed on the weekend or it's also open on the
Yes.
weekend?
It is closed on Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Friday it is working from 9 to 3,
Oh, okay.
9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And so I have a question, right? Why
Uh,
is there a gap up that happens? Why is it like Friday, it price closes at $100, then on on Monday, the price you'll find it at $250.
See, normally gap ups and gap downs happens mostly because of some news, right? Gap down will happen
Yeah.
mostly because of bad news, and gap up will open mostly because of the good news, right? So this is basically a IT stock. Okay, Infosys is a IT stock here in India. So we had a bad news last night. Some AI company told that they have prepared a tool which can automatically do the work of around 1,000 IT employees, right? So this was a bad news for the IT companies. That is why this stock opened gap down, correct?
Okay.
And similarly,
Great.
if you see one more IT stock, Tata Consultancy Services, this stock also opened a gap down today. See,
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah.
so
And so I,
all the IT stocks here in India opened as gap down today. See,
that's a very big gap for
ah,
5 minute
yeah,
chart.
right.
Yeah. Okay. And so I have one more question.
Ah,
What app do you use? Is there an app that tells you like immediate news before it happens on the graph? Like news,
I
okay, gold is going to go up, predictions like that.
no, actually, I trade in US market also, right? So US market opens in the night. So yesterday only I came to know that these stocks will open gap down today because yesterday it happened in US market.
Oh, in US market. But
Because
like, is there any app that you find the news about, like say gold or silver, telling you that um these guys have, like, for example, BlackRock or some big company invests into gold, or Trump is gonna do something on gold. Is there
that you
anything
can
that
search in
an app?
Google. That if you search in Google, you will get all those news.
Okay,
All the information is available in Google. Or maybe if you want, you can ask the Chat GPT. Chat GPT also can give you those kind of information because Chat GPT also collects the information from different sources, right? Different websites, Google and all. If you type and give a prompt to Chat GPT, it will respond you with all the information available for that particular news.
okay.
Right. Okay, so this is how it
Uh,
works. Gap up and gap down, right?
Gap up, gap down. Yes.
I will show you one gap up also. See,
Oh, okay, yeah.
the gap
That's
up
a
of almost
gap up.
four, gap up of almost 4% here. You can
But
see
then that candle, but then it dropped. Yeah,
then it dropped, but it didn't fill the gap. You can see that it didn't fill the gap yet. See,
yeah.
so if gap is not getting filled, that means the momentum is very strong. Some smart money and big player might have entered here, and they will not try to. They will not let it go down very easily.
Okay, so here it's probably a mix of buyers and sellers. That's why it's in
Yes,
consolidation, right?
it is consolidation, but we don't know whether it's accumulation or distribution. See, consolidation has two
Okay,
parts. See, consolidation has two. Basically, there are two types of consolidation. Okay, one is accumulation, and other one is distribution. Right. So
okay, and is accumulation? What is accumulation?
accumulation means that they are trying to buy the stock at different prices, and after some time, the stock may go up. And distribution means they are trying to sell the stocks at different levels, and after some time, the stock may go down.
Okay, so
Normally,
at
see,
different levels.
earlier when we have very less volatility, the we used to say that accumulation normally happens at the downtrend and distribution happens normally at the uptrend. But since these days we have so many tools to trade and the volatility is very high, So accumulation and distribution
Yes.
can happen at any level.
Okay. And what exactly is volatility? What's the best explanation for it?
For which one?
For volatility.
See, volatility you can check with VIX. We are in every stock market or in every country they have a index which is called VIX, volatility index. So based on that you can check.
Okay. And but what is volatility?
See, volatility
Like,
means
what's the meaning?
the, the price are moving quite quickly. Like from 5 to 10, it will move within. See, let's say the volatility index is 10. Okay, so that means the
Yes.
stock price can move in the multiples of 10 very fast. See,
Oh,
here
okay.
in
So
India,
the price.
see, I will explain you with an example of India. Okay, so in India we have a VIX. Okay, so the value of VIX
Yes.
normally lies between 1 to 10, right?
Yes.
Normally it fluctuates between 1 to 10, but whenever there is a big event or COVID and all, then at the time it went to 30 or 30, 35 like that, right?
Yes. Correct.
So that means the stock may try to move up and down very fast, maybe like 50 to 100 points. It can move very quickly within 2 minutes and 3 minutes. But if the VIX is less, the stock can move only 10 to 20, 10 to 20 points within 5 minutes or 10 minutes like that. So that is the meaning of volatility. The price and the number of points, you can say that. The time and the price, the movement of time and the price, you can consider as the volatility movement.
Okay. And what about pips? What is pips?
Pips is basically used in forex only. So we don't use it in here in stocks and all.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because I'm only doing forex right now.
But but if you are using the technical analysis, you may not be able to use pip. There's no use of pip actually because you have to use only the candlestick, right? Pip is basically the standard pairs, right? One pip movement means from 1.1. I will explain you 1 second. So one PIP. If you say that, what is one PIP? One PIP is like from 110 to 110.01. Okay, this is called PIP. 110 to 110.01. Right. So in India we have tick. We have tick size in India, which is 0.05.
Okay.
Means any instrument can move in a ratio of 0.05.
Yes.
So that movement cannot be in zero point zero 0.02, 0.03 or zero point zero 0.04, right? It has to move minimum 0.05. So same thing here also PIP,
Oh,
right? The movement has to be in within at least zero point zero 0.01.
okay.
Fine. So one pip, they call it as one pip as 10 pipettes. 10 pipettes. One pip equals to 10 pipettes.
Okay.
So that's all theory part. So whenever you want to trade, able to you may not be able to use it actually because you have to focus mostly on the candlestick.
Okay. Yes.
Right. So here, seeing this area, I feel that it's a kind of accumulation, but it is forming a box. So once there is a breakout or a breakdown, then only we may know that what actually it is happening, right?
Okay. Yes.
See, it has formed a price range. If you see the price range is from, see, this is a price range, right? Right. This is a price range. So we have to take a trade or we'll get a confirmation only once it crosses this area or it crosses this area.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. Find this clear?
Yes. Yes. This gap part I'm clear.
Okay. Any point which is not clear?
No.
So similarly, we have the bearish kicker, right? We have a small candle there at the top, and then we will have a big gap down with a big red candle, right?
Okay. Yes.
So the short has to take from here. You need to take a short position from here.
From there. Yeah, I'm clear with this one. We can go.
Okay. Have you heard about the pattern called tweezer bottom?
No,
What is
I
that?
don't think so.
TWI, TWI, double ZER, tweezer bottom. Okay. And similarly, we have tweezer top. Okay.
Okay.
So I don't have a slide on that, but I will show you in the chart how it looks like.
Okay. Yeah. No problem.
Let's see in gold if we can find that. See, tweezer bottom normally forms at the bottom. Okay.
Okay.
So in this, what happens? There will be two candles. One candle will look like this. So this candle will be mostly will be red. Okay. And then we have one more candle, which will be, which also may be like this, somewhat like this, but it will be green in color, right? Two candles in parallel, right? So both the candles should be forming the same bottom.
Like
Means
exact same or very close?
it can vary. See, these are the dynamic things, right? Because it's volume and price. So these are dynamic things. It can change like two or three points. It may change. But you need to understand that both the candles has to be formed like near low, like 2 or 3 points difference is there, then we can consider it. Right.
Yes.
I'm gonna go get his
passport after 7. Yeah.
So tweezer bottom. This is called as tweezer bottom. Means
Use the
the
button.
stock means the stock or the instrument has stopped the downtrend and the reversal may start soon.
Oh, okay. So it happens at a downtrend, right?
Yeah, once the downtrend is completed, so you can say that it's a kind of reversal pattern. Also, you can call it.
Okay, so reversal pattern. Is this always a guarantee, or
See,
it's also a risk?
see,
It can be sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.
in trading, nothing is guaranteed, but the you can think of 60 to
Yes.
70% of accuracy. You can think of. Right?
Okay. And this like reversal, will it be immediate or there might be like a test zone? It will go down and then go up.
See like this. So this is a monthly chart of this stock. Okay, you can
Yes.
see that there was a downtrend continuously. All the red were there, right? Now suddenly we put a green candle, which is almost near the same bottom,
So
right?
does it have to be same top and same bottom or always same bottom?
Now
Only
in
same
tweezer
bottom.
bottom, you have to see the low price.
So is this tweezer bottom or tweezer top?
This is tweezer bottom.
This is tweezer bottom. Okay.
Yeah, that is why it is. We think that it is forming at the bottom, right? So that is why we name it as a tweezer bottom.
Okay. And we have to make sure that the bottom wick is the same, right?
Ah, yeah. See, in this scenario, if you see the low price is 2,500, and here the low price is 2,431.
Yeah, so close. So the top price doesn't matter, right?
Yeah.
So similar prices for both
See, there are two ways.
flows.
There are two ways you can make an entry here, right? See, same thing happened here also, right? In previously, if you see in the month of July, right? Here also
Yes.
was a teaser bottom, right? You can see that. And here
Oh,
also
okay. Yeah, twist the bottom. Yeah. So we
same
can twist
pattern
it,
you
and
can see,
then
right? See, both the sides you can see the
yes,
same pattern in this stock, right? See,
yeah, I can see.
just same. Everything is same. Even the candles also look same.
Yeah, very similar. Even like here, uh, I don't know if it's a twist the bottom, but these here they look to be like that, but I don't know.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah,
As
is
well as
that considered one or not?
see, if you missed it, you can consider this as well.
Oh, you can. Okay. But wait, okay. So for example, that one, where should your stop loss be?
Yes.
Oh, at the bottom of the red candle, correct?
Yes. And here also at the bottom of that candle. And here
Okay, but how about this one?
it has to be bottom of the green candle.
Okay. And if they're the same, then the bottom.
Sorry?
If they're the exact same, it should just be the
Ah,
stop
ah.
loss should be the
Yes,
same
yes,
bottom, right?
yes.
You can choose one. Okay. And how about, so what happens is the Twizzler bottom is formed, right? Do we
Mm.
only take our buy when it's closed, when that candle has closed?
See, again
Like,
it
do we
depends on
buy at this one here?
see again it depends on the trader to traders. See, because trading is not like a book that you have to do the same thing. You can change your
Yes.
you can change your things, right? So here there are two ways. Either you can take entry near here. See, sometimes I'll take entry here only because I I sometimes see that the candles has already fallen, right? And in this scenario, I'll see that the same kind of history has done in 2023, right? So I will assume that the similar kind of pattern this guy is going to repeat again. So that is why I'll mark my entry near this area only. Before this candle is even starting, I'll take my entry here
Okay. But
because
does this
because the
also, yeah?
same incident has already happened in the past, right?
Okay. Yes, I see. But I have a question.
Uh,
Does this also work on low time frames like 15 minutes, or this only works on higher
mm,
time frames?
Works everywhere.
Works everywhere. Okay.
See, whatever patterns I am teaching you, they work everywhere. The only difference will be of accuracy. In lower time frame, the accuracy will be less. Higher time frame, the accuracy will be more. That is the only difference. Otherwise, all the patterns will work everywhere. Whichever instrument you want to choose, whichever time frame you want to choose, they will work everywhere.
Okay. And what is your personal preferred time frame? Which one do you think is the most accurate, and which one do you trade most?
See, actually, in trading, it is not like that. What we think, right? It depends on a person to person, trader to trader, which particular time frame suits him. That is why practice is important. I myself use daily and weekly time frame for trading.
Daily and weekly. Okay.
Daily, weekly, or monthly. I mostly won't go beyond like less than daily, or sometimes I may try a time frame of 1 hour. That's it. But mostly I will use daily and weekly only.
Oh, okay. So you're a swing trader.
Swing trader. See, If you have high capital, then you may need to go only with the swing trading. You can't take risk with small time frame, because in a small time frame the risk is more because the accuracy is less.
Yes. Okay. So can I use the bathroom quickly? I'll be back in like 3 minutes. Okay, no problem. Be back. Hi, sir. Back.
Okay, so this is clear. Tweezer bottom.
Okay. What about the tweezer bottom?
Okay, this is clear, right? Tweezer bottom.
Sir, I can't hear you.
1 second. Now can
Hello?
you, hello? Can you hear me now?
Hello?
I'll try to rejoin. I'll try to rejoin.
Okay, I can hear you now.